Oh, yeah. Here. Oh. Real squirrel.
It moved? Oh, okay. It was perfect. Still.
It's always playing. No anything and music playing. Hear what I'm saying. Somebody, come on down. Bring your paper, bring
Hey, there y'all are. Louis is up ahead. Let's join the reclining band for our celebration. To the back.
Any musicians down here who want to jam? The party's about to begin.
People gonna come here from everywhere. Almost there.
Donuts shaped like that.
All musicians, you don't have far to go. Tell the people mama told you so.
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here, and they are cooking.
They can play. No doubt. We'll ask them to join the band for sure. I'm asking all of them to play at the party. But we've got to keep searching high and low.
How low can I go?
Searching low. Searching low.
Time to think big. Time to get tiny.
Where did they go? We have to find them. These tiny musicians you found sure do bring the heat.
You enjoy getting tiny. Now let's get you back to your big, old, beautiful self. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed. Ain't going
Oh, damn. They got so I know. I put my headphones in a headphone. Sorry if I can't yeah. I should have put Voodoo Man in there. That's a lot of water.
I didn't get splashed on the initial go down that splash with the one splash down. Yeah, usually it's
You should have gone.
it's no wrong with you back in splash.
Like drawn down and then one of those big mouths. That was cool. And they ended up like defeating me somehow. And then Shadow Man should have been on.
Sometimes that's the worst part of the ride. Now they're fucking it up.
Just like me, wasting my time, doubting what's inside.
would make a big splash at this party. See y'all again soon.